How to apply for a job on Upwork. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily apply for a job on Upwork. First of all, open up your web browser and then simply search for upwork.com. Hit enter, and then you will be taken directly to Upwork's landing page. Here, you're just going to have to log in using your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Gmail account. And once you are logged in, you'll land on the homepage of your account. So on the homepage, on the Find Work tab, here you'll be suggested the jobs that you might like. So what you can do is simply go ahead and press on the job. As you can see, these already have 50 plus proposals. So go ahead and search for the job that you want to apply for. Click on it. And once you click on it, you'll get a quick summary about the job and the things that you're going to have to do. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the price of the job as well. So it's a really entry-level job with $10. And once you have done that, you could also see the attachment that's related to the job. So just scroll down all the way, and here you'll find the jobs review as well, client's review. Now click on Buy Connects to apply. So what you need is something called Connects to apply for jobs on Upwork. You can earn this by applying for different kind of jobs and completing jobs, or you could just first buy them. And once you have enough connects, you can just apply for the job, send them your CV and things like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically apply for a job on Upwork. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.